Bukhaw sa'king mata ay nagbago na. Ibig ba sabihin nun ay hindi na ako palag? Tang bawat kislap ng gunita nagiging bagong alaala. I waited all my life just to be with you this time. Kasi kahit tagal naging tanga na lulot sa sarili ko mga luha. Pero hinawakan mo aking kamay. Pwede ba dito na lang tayo habang buhay? Habulin natin sabay ang araw hanggang ating matanaw. Tulo ng ating akal. Saan man tayo mapagpapay. Ikaw layo sa isa't isa. Ikaw ang dagat at langit. Nakakahula sa lalim ng iyong puso.
Bilang isang nanay ay pinasasalamatan kita at naging mabuti kang anak sa amin. Napalaki ka namin ng maayos at yung pagiging masunurin mo, pinagpapasalamat namin at yung pagiging supportive mo sa amin. Maraming salamat. At
gagampanan mo iyong tungkulin, ang iyong pananagutan sa iyong pamilya at mabigyan mo, magampanan mo ng ayos ang iyong tungkulin at mabigyan ng magandang buhay ang iyong magiging anak.
Nagkakalala kami sa APMC 2017. Workmates kami. Magkaiba yung group namin. Ako BGC, siya South. Madalas kaming nag-outing, nag-get together. So, dun kami mas lumalim yung pagtitira sa isa't isa.
My gorgeous ma'am, happy wedding day to us. I know na magugustuhan mo itong gift ko sa'yo. Kasi ikaw din ang pumili nito. I love you so much. Love you, love.
Yun po, bali sa outing po yun, bali nag-develop po siya nung outing eh. Parang naging close kami.
So kung anong mayroon sa akin, una, pinahahalagahan kasi akin. Pangalawa, hindi mo sasaktan. Bagkus, mamahalin. Total, no? Na talaga pag-angkin. You belong to me and I belong to you. Yan sinasabi in the first reading. Yung unifying factor, unity, union of husband and wife.
I choose you.
Boo, I love you. I'm so incredibly blessed to call you mine. Just like I told you before when you became my girlfriend, that I want to spend my future with you.
More than just a wedding, this is
I'm so grateful to the Lord for allowing us to reach this point in our lives. Finally, you and I are united in marriage, and we will be building our dreams as a family together.
Nandito tayo ngayon sa labas ng bahay nila.
A few years back in 2017, I asked God, quote-unquote, Lord, asa na po siya? I was referring to the man I was meant to be with. And He immediately answered me, quote-unquote, kung saan-saan ka ba naghahanap, nasa harap mo lang naman.
for the rest of our lives. With all that we have, we do. and we will. When the sky turns black and he comes back riding on the clouds.
Madami tayong pagdadaan ng challenge and difficulties na I know that we can overcome together with God as a center of our relationship.
We choose you.
Thank you for everything, for caring for me, and loving me unconditionally. For staying even when I'm being tupakan and overly emotional just like now. I know and God knows what we've been through. All the happy and not so good moments, our successes and failures. And through it all, I'm grateful that it's still you by my side.
And I'll say I do.
I don't know what the future holds for us, but I trust Him and together we will conquer the world. I pray that I will be the kind of wife you deserve, giving you all the love, care, and support I can to you and our future family.
I promise you to be a spouse that you can trust, to share your happiness and sorrow, to listen to you patiently, to respect you, to cherish you, and to love you for the rest of my life.
I love you from 2017 to now and for a lifetime. Asawa ko.
I choose you.